leader sets the example of, especially I guess in different companies, the example of kind of the flow that you should be taking, the work that you should be taking. A leader to me always makes the right conscious decision, even the decisions that other people wouldn't make, a leader has to make. And I think a lot of sacrifice is in leadership that I'd say people look at leaders and say, wow, like what a great job, like what a great role, but they don't understand all the sacrifices.
Being a leader is realizing that it's not about you. A lot of people want to jump into leadership roles saying, I want to be the leader, I want to be the leader, but that's not how you should be looking at it. I feel like leaders are appointed. You don't take being a leader. It's appointed to you from the people around you by realizing that it's not about you. It's about everyone else around you, and that you may have to take, the brunt of certain situations so that everyone else can succeed.